Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing large numbers chapter. So today we are going to discuss Roman numbers. Okay, this term is totally new for you. Roman numbers. Now what are Roman numbers? So students, you all are aware of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these numbers, the simple counting is known as Hindu Arabic system or Hindu Arabic numbers. These are Hindu Arabic numbers. But there are Roman numbers also, which are made by using 7 Latin letters. Okay, Latin is also a language, so it has alphabets. So from those alphabets we use only 7 letters to make Roman numbers. Now which are those 7 letters? These are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are 7 letters which we use to make Roman numbers. Okay, now we will see the values of these letters. Now I has 1 value, V has 5 value, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. Okay, but students, in grade 3 you have to learn till these 3 values. You will use only these 3 values. Next values you will learn in your next classes. Okay, we will discuss these values in next classes. So in 3rd grade we will discuss only I, V and X. So easily you can remember their values. Daily if you read it 2-3 times, you will learn it. Okay, no need to cram. So daily if you learn these values 2-3 times, easily you can learn it. I is equal to 1, V is 5, X is 10. Now students, by using only these 3 symbols, we are going to write 1 to 39 counting. Okay, only by using these 3 symbols, letters. Okay, it means we have to follow some rules to write counting 1 to 39 by using only these 3 letters. Okay, so let's discuss the rules for writing the Roman numbers. So students, first rule is I and X can be repeated 3 times. I and X can be repeated 3 times. Now, if I and X can be repeated, then which letter is left, which can never be repeated? V. So, V cannot be repeated. This is the first rule. So, I am repeating again. I and X can be repeated 3 times, but V can never be repeated. We can use it only 1 time. But these 2 symbols we can repeat 3 times maximum, not more than 3. Okay, so let's take example to clarify this point. Like one I has 1 value, single I. Okay, now if double I is written, it is now it is repeated 2 times. So I and I. So if I and I is there, it means there is addition. If same symbol is repeated, it means there is addition. So 1 plus 1, 2. It means 2 times I has value 2. Similarly, 3 times I means 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Now how you will make 4? If you write I 4 times and you say, ma'am, it is 4, but I will say it is wrong. This is the meaning of this line. I and X can be repeated 3 times, not more than 3. Here we are repeating 4 times. Okay? So then our sum will be wrong. Clear? Similarly, now we will take example of X. So single X is 10, but if we write it 2 times, so X plus X means 10 plus 10, it will be 20. Similarly, if we repeat it 3 times, it will become 30. But we cannot repeat it more than 3 times. We cannot write it 4 times 40. No, that will be wrong. Okay? So I hope first point is clear to all. Now I am going to take second point. Second point is, if I is written to the left of V, if I is written to the left of V or X, it means subtraction. Means this I is written left to the V and X, then it means subtraction. Let's take example. This V is written and you know the value of V is 5. Now this I is written before V, means in the left of V, then it means subtraction. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, that is 4. So it means in Roman numbers how 4 is written? 1V, 1V. Similarly in X case, if it is I is written in the left of X, then this value will be subtracted from this, means 10 minus 1, that is 9. So how we write 9 in Roman numbers? IX. Okay. So now next, here we discussed I is written to the left of V or X. Now we will discuss if I is written to the right of V or X, then it means addition. See here, if I is written right to the V, then it means it is addition. 5, its value is 5, its value is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Similarly, 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. Then 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 8. Similarly, 10 plus 1, 11. So it means if I is written right to the V or X, then we add the values. And if you see here, V, I, 3 times it is repeated. You cannot write V 4 times I. No. I told you that I can be repeated only 3 times maximum, not more than 3. So 9, after 8, how we write 9? We write 9 in this way, IX. I hope it is clear to all. So students, what's your homework? Today you will write 1 to 10 Roman numbers. Okay, 1 to 10 counting in Roman. I hope it is clear to all. And students, again I am giving you reminder to revise your tables from 11 to 16. So today I am going to put schedule for the students, that which students will send me the video of reciting tables on which day. Okay, you will shoot your video of reciting tables. It can be dodging or single table you can recite from 11 to 16, so that I can come to know that you have learnt the table or not. If you all have learned the table, then we will proceed to next tables. Then we will start 17, 18 and 19 tables. So today on app, I'll send you the schedule that on which day you are supposed to send your video on school official number. Thank you students. Have a nice day.